Hi Stampin' friends. I wanted to make this video because I want to tell you all about a new join deal that starts May 1st. It's a great deal. I think it's the best value deal that I've seen as an add-on to a starter kit in my 15 plus years as a demonstrator. Really fantastic. So I wanted to tell you about it before you start making your May orders, and you're gonna love it. So let's just tell you what it is. So the starter kit is already fantastic all year round, and I always think it's a great thing to do when you have an order that you think is kind of on the big side. Just do it as a join deal and then try it out. Kind of, you get to test the waters for a quarter and see what you think, and you can always drop off. So whenever you have a big order, it's always a good idea to join. But right now, during the month of May, you're going to get add-ons to your starter kit, and I'm going to show you what they are. So you get four add-ons. One add-on is the new in color markers, and this is all the new colors that are coming out: Pretty in Pink, Peach Pie, Shy Shamrock, my fave, Petunia Pop, also really pretty, and Summer Splash. So these are the new in colors that last for 2 years. So I know you don't have these because they just came out. So you get this in your starter kit. You get the ink pads that go with that, all 5, all the new colors. So I know you don't have those either. And you get new in color paper. So basically you're getting all in colors. You get new in color designer paper. I don't have a full pack to show you because I've been using it. It's really pretty. It's tone on tone in all the 5 new colors. So you've got like a pattern with a dark and light tone of that color, and then different pattern on the back. So you've got florals and stripes. There's 4 different patterns. I think there's like a filigree type looking and spots. So really versatile patterns you can use all year round, and you get a whole pack of that. This is just a half a pack of that, and then you get another whole pack of cardstock in all the colors. So the cardstock is a sheets, 20 sheets, so 4 of each of the 5 colors, and so you get all that added into your starter kit, no cost. So the starter kit, let's just tell you what that is because I didn't think I mentioned that. The starter kit is $99. But when you click that you want to join, you're going to start filling up your shopping cart until it gets to $125. So you can choose anything in the online store. You can choose all new products. You can choose even clearance rack things. You can go for stamps. You can get the die cut machine. You can do all paper, whatever's your thing, and start adding to your shopping cart until it gets to $125. But you're only going to pay $99. Now don't add any of that stuff I showed you because that is going to get added in free on top of whatever it is you chose. So it's a really awesome deal. The stuff I showed you comes to $82. So you're getting the $125 that you chose plus $82 that they're going to add in. That's amazing for just $99. And it ships to you for free. There is tax, but that's it. And so you get your shipping free, and it comes to you. It's going to come with some business supplies that you can use if you decide that you want to try to make this a little bit of a side business. You're going to get a case of catalogs, the new ones, and this is a great time to join actually because all new stuff, new catalog, new colors, but also coming up, demonstrators, we get some fun things. We have online gathering coming up called Creativity Now, where a lot of demonstrators can join. We get to have a sneak peek of some new products, and we get to use them in a big, huge online group setting. It's really fun. And I usually get together with a few local demonstrators, and we kind of do it together. Or we have card making day and scrapbooking day, stuff like this is coming up. We have conventions, of course. There are in August, we'll get to see the new holiday catalog. So there's a lot of good things to do when you join. There's all kinds of online communities, but the biggest thing that most people join for is the discount. So as soon as you join, you pay that $99, you get access to the Stampin' Up! Demonstrator website. So you get to stay a demonstrator just for buying that starter kit for your first full quarter. And so we're already in a quarter right now, so this quarter doesn't end until, let's see, we're in May, June, then the new one starts July, August, September. So you get to stay a demonstrator until the end of September, even if you never purchase another thing. So that gives you a lot of time to kind of look through the demonstrator website, get used to what things are coming up, what things you're interested in, join some communities, get the discount if you so choose, but you don't have to place any other orders. You don't have to do a thing. So you can just kind of test the water, see what you think. I have team swaps and things like that too that you can take part in. So there's all kinds of things you can do if you want, but that's all up to you. And I can help you as much or as little as you want. Let's see, what else can I tell you about joining? You have until September if you decide you want to stay. So you have until September to sell or purchase $300. Then you would stay and go on to the next quarter. And then that same quarter, it starts all over again. Do you want to stay or not? Till the next quarter, till the next quarter. And you decide how long you want to keep it going. So maybe you just want to get the discount for yourself. There's a lot of things on your wish list. That's what I did. I joined because I wanted all the colors. I always wanted the color I didn't have when I was scrapbooking. And so I was like, so I wanted all the colors and all the markers. That is why I joined. Now, that was 15 years ago. I have all the colors. But I just stayed because I like the community. I've met some friends. We do lots of fun things together, and I enjoy stamping. So there's always some new products coming out. Maybe that's you. Now, I've decided to step it up a little notch. I have fun creating classes, and so to me, that's fun. And so I have classes, and then people buy from me. Maybe that's not you. Maybe it is. So you can decide how you want to do it. Or maybe you just have one or two friends that you like to craft with, and you can say, hey, I joined. I'm placing an order in at the end of the week. Does anybody need any adhesives? Would anybody like a paper pumpkin kit? Would anybody like some new ink pads? You can ask them if they have anything they want to add to your order, and that way you're not placing that whole $300 yourself, because you've got just a couple friends who are helping you make that quota, because you're saying, hey, I'm putting it in order, and let me order some things for you. And that's not so selly. It's, you know, sharing what you love, and that's what we're all about, sharing what we love, and offering the opportunity for them to be able to have you place that order for them, so they don't have to go out to the store. You can place that order for them and get their adhesive, and you can maybe show them some of the things that you made at some demonstrator event or that you saw online at a demonstrator website. We have all kinds of fun demonstrator groups online. So it's a great opportunity. It's really fun, and the price can't be better. So again, you're going to get $82 in additional things, all in color things, added to whatever it is you choose. You customize your kit. This gets added on the whole month of May, and feel free to reach out with any questions you might have. I'm happy to answer them. So thanks for watching. Bye.